This video is only for educational purposes. Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. Today I'm here with this app. I'll tell you how to open an account and get instant bonuses and cashbacks by using our VIP promo code. So at first download the app from any browser, and after entering the app you can see there are two options, login and registration. You must click on registration option since you are creating a new account. And here you can see there are 4 options given. You should click on the first option to register easily. Now you can see a page like this. Here, select your country and country's currency. In this option, write this VIP promo code which I have already written on the screen to verify your account. Write
XUSDT.
You can earn millions of dollars by using this promo code. Since this promo code gives you a 300% bonus on your first deposit, and instant cashbacks on every withdrawals and deposits, and offers you bonuses on your birthdays as well as monthly bonuses and weekly bonuses. So you must use this promo code
XUSDT.
Here you can see an empty box. Click on it and this will fill up. Now click on the registration option. Now you have to verify you are not a robot. Once you confirm you are not a robot, your registration will be successful and your user ID and password will be given. Take a screenshot or copy this. You will need it for your next login. Now click on the next button and you will be logged into your account. Now to bet or play games, you have to make a deposit. And this app will provide you different kinds of local payment methods. You may select one of these according to your convenience. And friends, you will get VIP discounts and offers by using this promo code written on the screen. I hope this video was helpful for you.